If kitchen chores are taking too much of your time, here is a solution you have been looking for. Presenting the all-new range of intelligently designed Kent Smart and Super Smart mixer grinders with a powerful 800-watt motor. The 3-speed option and pulse function for quick daily chores makes them extremely versatile. It comes with a strong stainless steel body, 3 different capacity stainless steel jars with robust 1.5mm blades and spill-proof lockable lids. The 1.5-liter wet blending jar is perfect to make chilled smoothies or healthy juices for your family. 1-liter dry grinding jar for grinding masalas for your new recipes or coffee beans into fine powder, and a 400 ml chutney jar that prepares sumptuous chutneys with no effort. To provide better cooling of the motor, a powerful fan is located below that releases heat faster. Their stable base and unique auto switch-off function for overheating makes them extremely user-friendly and safe too. Make your kitchen a smart kitchen with Kent Smart or Super Smart mixer grinder.